Internet, what's up? It's Rob from TechGuysSmartBuy.com, and today we're talking about the LG V60 ThinQ, or the Think. So our first stop is the audio, more specifically the speakers. So since everyone has stereo speakers and have had it for a while, we want to see how well this LG holds up to the competition. So LG has been a trendsetter for a lot of things that a lot of people don't give it credit for. Whether it be stereo speakers, ultra wide, other things that have come and gone. Still having a hi-fi Quad-DAC, and then as well as a headphone jack, it still stands out supreme. That nobody has even able to compete with that. It's still the best way you can get audio on any smartphone. You also have the LG 3D sound engine, which is, it's an artificial way to classify audio. It's kind of like a smart way to decide the best way for you to listen to whatever media or music you're listening to. It's good. It's not like groundbreaking, but in certain parts it's better and in certain parts not so much. And then moving on to the stereo speakers, you got a 1 watt top firing and then a 1.3 watt bottom firing. So we're gonna play some media on this phone and then compare it to the Pixel 4 we have here, and then the iPhone 11 Pro Max, since pretty much everybody has stereo speakers, and see who sounds better.
You're gonna want to buy. No, I understand, but come on, sir, just trust me. One snip, you're gonna want. Oh, I bet, but I really gotta go. I gotta go. I understand. Hey, you know what? I'll buy. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. That's my sir. Are you a football player? I need it. You said my stick? That's not what I'm saying at all, sir. I'm saying something. No, you said I'm stick. No, I'll take this. You ain't coming with me like that. What's up?
I'll let you guys decide, out of the two phones we pitted against, which one sounds better and who's doing a better job. So this is the start of it. We'll be moving on to either the camera or the dual screen next, I'm not sure. And then finish off with the rest of the phone. So let us know if there's anything you want covered in our full review or camera part. We'll make sure to do that. Thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world. You're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you in the next video. Peace.